Welcome back to the channel. On this episode of Renovate This Whole House, we're going to be talking about interior lighting and how to install it. So let's get started. Okay, let's get started. The first thing you want to have done is have someone to turn off the breaker, and that's at the circuit panel. Once you remove your light fixture, you're going to have your black wire, which is your hot, your copper wire, which is your ground, and your white wire, which is your neutral. That should match up with your fixture that you are actually putting up. So we'll mount the black to the black. Most likely it would be a ground screw or a copper wire in your fixture that you're putting up. And the neutral will be white, and we'll mount the white to the white. And that's all it takes to change out a light fixture. So in here, we're going to be mounting LEDs. It will be the same concept. You're going to have your black wire, which is your power, your white wire is your neutral, and your copper wire is going to be your ground. So on your light fixtures, always match up black with black, white with white, and the copper to the ground. So that's what we'll be mounting here. So what we'll be mounting here will be the slim surface LED mount dish for when you already have a box in the wall, in the ceiling. So the way it works is you have your mounting dish, and once you mount your dish, it has tabs that are here and here, and basically they'll just snap in and that'll lock it up to the ceiling. So it also has different settings for different brightnesses. have there, there, and there. I think we're gonna go with the brightest. So those are the two lightings for the kitchen. They are on separate switches. So that's the easy way to get LEDs put up where you already have existing light fixtures. Let's go to the next one. The flush mount can lights are pretty simple. On these, all you have to do is make sure your light switch is off. The lights we'll be using here are pretty simple as screwing in a light bulb. So you have your spring loaded here. You're gonna put those inside your clips and screw this into your socket. So this disconnects. Screw this into your socket. You can connect it now or after you put the clamps on. You're gonna depress these and slide them up into your clamps, one side. Other side, once you have them pushed in, you're gonna slide it up. That's gonna lock it to the ceiling. And as simple as that. So this one will be the same setup. We'll see how much lighting makes a difference. That's the difference. And we still have different settings for this one. So I think we're gonna go with the brightest for now. that you have the concept of how to install lighting. Your black to your black, your white to the white, and your ground is going to be your copper. You can go from this to this, from this to this. To change out this vents, you pull it down, and it's going to have clamps on the side. You squeeze those in and try to get them lined up and pull them down. So I do the same with the other side. You just squeeze them in, line them up, and pull them down. And on these, usually you can change the motor out. I just rather change out the whole box and the fan, makes it easier. And like I say, you can see how dirty this one is, so we'll discard that. And to take these out, there are 2 tabs here, here, and 1 tab here. So as you unplug it, push up on it, pull the tab out, and then just pull the motor and bracket out. And that's what you have. So like I said, you can change out the motor here, pull the pulley off and replace the motor and the fan blade, which is here. But I like to put in a new one, just put the whole plate and everything. So you find out what size box you have. In this case, we have a 7 1/4 by 7 1/2, and you get the plate, motor, and the fan. Line it up with your plug, which is here. Your 2 tabs, which is here and here. And then your 1 tab here, goes here and here. So put those in first. And then you push it up until you can get it lined up with the upper tab. Now for your upgrade kit, it has a slot here that you took your first one out of. We're gonna upgrade to lighting. So on this one, you're gonna have your same tab, same order. Your tabs and line them up in the slot. Once you get your tabs in, basically push it up, make sure your wires are in. And that's it. That's how you upgrade your bathroom fan. This ends this episode all about lighting. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, and hit the notification for upcoming videos. And if there's anything you would like to see done as we renovate this house, put it in the comment section. And until then, we'll see you later on the next episode of Renovate This Whole House.
Yeah.